Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Yimby Tumbler Composter in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. YMP Outdoor M4000 Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter, Canadian-made, 100% recycled resin. Outdoor rotating compost tumbler bin for garden, kitchen, and yard waste. Black, 37-gallon. Made in Canada from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. The original 8-sided dual-chamber tumbling composter. Tumbling Composter. Avoid digging and mixing your compost pile by hand. The tumbling design makes mixing easy and efficient. Just close the door and turn it 5 to 6 times every 2 to 3 days. In hot sunny conditions, and with a proper balance of ingredients, the compost can finish in as little as 2 weeks. Easily to use, fantastic for beginners. The large openings and removable door make it easy to add scraps/clippings and remove finished compost. Deep fins on the body provide great ergonomic handholds. 2 composter chambers are better than 1. 2 separate sides allow the first side to finish, while leaving the second side available to add fresh scraps/clippings. Number 2. Miracle-Gro Small Composter. Compact single-chamber outdoor garden compost bin, heavy-duty. UV-protected turning barrel tumbling composter, 18.5 gallons. No space? No problem. Don't let tight spaces keep you from composting. Miracle-Gro's outdoor compost bin tumbler is small enough for even the tiniest spaces. The 18.5 gallons, 70 liters, /27.7 gallons, 105 liters, volume perfectly fits your balcony, porch, patio, or rooftop garden. Finally, you can compost from anywhere. Turn your food waste into garden gold. Transform kitchen and garden waste into rich, fertile compost. The gardener's treasured black gold. Ready-to-use compost will be yours in just 4 to 6 weeks, thanks to Miracle-Gro's unique aeration system. Internal mixing bars speed up decomposition to make growing a happy garden easier than ever. Reduce your carbon footprint. Studies show that approximately 1/3 of the world's food supply goes to waste. But with Miracle-Gro's rolling compost box, you can do your part to change that. Number 1. All Seasons Indoor Composter Starter Kit. 5-gallon tan compost bin for kitchen countertop with lid, spigot, and 1-gallon tools. Bag of dry bokashi bran by SCD Probiotics. SCD Probiotics Indoor Composter Starter Kit. Compost right in your kitchen with this ready-to-use kit. 5-gallon countertop compost bin with strainer and spigot. BPA-free plastic bin is tan with green lid and handle. 1 gallon, tools of compost starter included. Turn all food waste into compost. Start composting with this beginner-friendly kit. Simply scrape food scraps into compost pail. Sprinkle a layer of bokashi compost starter to reduce odor and break down food, then close the lid. Repeat at each meal. 4-season use, don't let winter weather keep you from composting. With SCD Probiotics Indoor Composter, you can kickstart the composting process from the comfort of your home, even when it's freezing outside. No daily trips to an outdoor composter.